Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Trendyafashion. I hope you all well and doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. And if you are new to my channel Trendyafashion, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way, you can get all new notification of my latest video that I share to my channel daily. I make video on your favorite topic ever. I'm here again with one of your another favorite topic. So I know you were waiting of my video. So guys, your wait is over. I'm here again with one of your another favorite topic and with beautiful video. So let's start the video. Today I'm showing beautiful undercut, asymmetrical, short and long haircut ideas. These undercut, short and long haircut ideas are really gorgeous, amazing, outstanding. It doesn't matter that you have long hair or short hair. These haircut ideas are really for you. You keep your hairs as it is as you have. If you love long hair, if you like short hair, it's up to you. You just keep and adopt this undercut haircut idea, and in this way you can follow the trend as well. All celebrities, young girls are getting these hairstyles with undercut hairstyles in these days. These undercut hairstyles are really gorgeous, beautiful, enhance the beauty of personality and make you like a celebrity, no doubt. And these undercut haircut ideas and hairstyle ideas make you beautiful and fashionable lady. These fashionable haircut and hairstyle ideas you can adopt with long hairs or short hairs. It doesn't matter. I am showing these haircut beautiful hair ideas in this video, and I hope you like my effort. If you do, you can appreciate me through comment section, and you also let me know that which haircut and hairstyle you like for yourself. You can also share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way, they can also get know about the latest fashion or fairs that I share to my channel, because I make video on fashion and trend. So guys, I am sharing all the undercut, asymmetrical, beautiful haircut, short and long haircut ideas in this video with fashionable, beautiful hair color. You can easily select your favorite haircut and hairstyle from this video with one of your favorite hair colors. This video will make you easy and solve your problem that what kind of haircut and hairstyle and hair color you want to choose, or you can choose from this video. You just easily choose your favorite haircut among them and just take a screenshot of your favorite one and go to your hairstylist and hair salon and get this hairstyle.